So, guys, do you know how we connect with family on board at sea? How we use the internet on board the ship? Those who are sailing on board, they are already aware of this facility. But those who are not aware, who have not seen the ship, they are joining the ship for the first time. So let me tell you how the internet is working on board the ship. So we are on a compass deck, also called the Monkey Island, where all the antennas are fitted. So this is the Starlink antenna. Okay. So the Starlink antenna, we are provided with internet through the Starlink. If in case Starlink is not working, or maybe we are going to some region where the internet access is not applicable for the Starlink, then we have a backup. We have a backup antenna. This is called VSAT. So this is a backup for the Starlink. The VSAT is also provide internet but with a limited speed. For example, with the Starlink, we can get a speed of up to a 5G at sea. But with VSAT, we will get a speed of about 3G. There is a more backup, one more backup. If this VSAT is not working, then we have another. We call it FBB, Fleet Broadband. So in this, we are provided with limited access of like a 2G facility. So guys, this is how the setup of the antenna was there. So guys, we have seen the setup on the compass deck, also called the Monkey Island. All the antennas are fitted there, and from the compass deck, through the wire, it is coming on the bridge. At the bridge, we have a rack and modem. Everything is, all the communication system is located there. And from there, it is going to individual deck. For example, I am staying in C deck, D deck, master is staying. So each deck, C deck, B deck, D deck, each deck, the LAN cable is going to the router. And through the router, like we are connecting the Wi-Fi at home, same we are connecting to the Wi-Fi. But we have to log it, and there is a package. So now the next question comes in the mind is how much the internet will cost. Is it free or we have to pay for the internet? So let me tell you, it's not fixed. It's depend upon company to companies and owners to owners. In fact, like for example, I am working with Synergy. So in Synergy, in last 5 years, I have seen I am getting different plan of internet on all vessels. So all depend upon the company which you are joining and the ownership you are joining. I am working with a MOL owner, and on this vessel, the top 4 is getting unlimited internet. Normally, all the vessels, master, chief engineer, chief officer and second engineer are getting unlimited internet. Other crew and other officers, junior officers, they are getting a different packages of 1 GB per day to a fixed package of about 10 GB per month, like this. On this vessel, the other crews are getting 10 GB per month package for the Starlink. If Starlink is not working, we are connecting with VSAT, then the top 4 are getting unlimited internet with 3G speed and other crew are getting 2 hour per day unlimited usage. Means data usage is not a restriction, only the time is a restriction. You are allowed to use the internet only for 2 hours in per day. But for top 4, it is unlimited. Why it is unlimited for only the top 4? Why not for all other crew? Give your answer in the comment box. I would love to see your answers and then I will give you the reply.